Well, hello there, and good evening, everybody. I'm William Brantley from the North Jackson, Tennessee area on Walker Road near Westtown Commons Shopping Center, about a mile north of Union University. Getting ready to share with you today's climate summary and give you a forecast for the next few days shortly. Turned out to be a fairly decent day today. We had a few scattered afternoon showers around the area, but all of them missed me. It did hit South Jackson and some other parts of Jackson and Madison County, but most of you out there managed to not get any rain. I believe the Moleses area and the Bemis area might have gotten the most amount of rain, but nothing here in North Jackson. Anyways, as of 5 p.m., the skies are partly cloudy. The temperature at 5 p.m. here was 85 degrees. The dew point was 72 degrees. The relative humidity was 65%, and the wind was out of the south at 7 miles per hour. And the barometric pressure was 29.96 inches of mercury. Hold on. Okay. Today's low temperature was 71 degrees. Today's high was 89 degrees here. I've had no rainfall, like I mentioned, here so far today since midnight. And for the year, oh my goodness. Let me see. I'm getting a text from, okay. Let's do something this weekend if you'd like. Oh, okay. I got a friend of mine that's texting me, but I'll get back to him after I get through the recording. Of all times for the phone to ring, it rings the bell. Oh, well, that happens sometimes. Where was I? Oh, yeah, for the month, I'm up to, I believe, 3.02 inches of rain and 27.29 for the year. Okay, the lowest relative humidity today was 65% at 4 and 5 p.m. The highest would be 97% at 6 a.m. I believe the lowest barometric pressure would be 29.96 inches, and that was at 3, 4, and 5 p.m., while the highest would be 30.04 inches at 7 and 11 a.m. Today's highest wind gust at the Jackson, Tennessee airport was 19 miles per hour out of the south at 9:31 a.m. The sun will be setting tonight at 8:15 p.m. Rise tomorrow at 5:43 a.m. The moon will be setting tonight at 12:31 a.m. and be rising tomorrow afternoon at 12:44 p.m. Today's records for June the 29th, the hottest high, 107 degrees. Boy, that's hot. That's not including the heat index, by the way. And that happened in 2012, 107. That was a scorcher. And just 5 years ago, too, when that happened. The coolest high would be 79 degrees back in 2014. The warmest low would be 77 degrees in 1952 and 1998. The coldest low would be 59 degrees in 1958 and 1974. And today's rainfall record would be 2.87 inches in 1980. But here today, none. At least here in North Jackson. Alrighty. Let me go ahead and read you my forecast, or the forecast I have printed, and then I'll show you the various graphs. I'll start off with tonight, of course. It's still going to be mostly fair for the most part, partly cloudy, until around midnight, 2 a.m., and then the skies will probably become mostly cloudy for most of Friday and on into Saturday, actually. Looks like we got still about a 20% chance of an isolated pop-up shower for the remainder of the evening. Most of them should dissipate here in West Tennessee by around sunset or sooner. We have a 40% chance of some early afternoon showers and thunderstorms tomorrow afternoon, roughly from 11 a.m. to 2 or 3 p.m., roughly. But then it increases to a 70% chance by tomorrow night. And that'll last on into Saturday when we have an 80% chance for some showers and thunderstorms until noon, and then it decreases to 50% by then. Alright, let me slow back down a little bit and give you tomorrow morning's low. Should be near 72. The high tomorrow should be about 90. And we should have southwest winds at 10 to 20. Saturday's low should be near 73 degrees. The high should be about 88. And by the way, we should have southwest winds at 10 to 20 tomorrow and west winds at 10 to 20 on Saturday. Now by Sunday, we'll continue to have a 50% chance for some scattered showers and thunderstorms until Sunday night. Then the skies should become fair, with a low near 70 and a high of 90, with west winds at 5 to 10. On Monday, we're going to have yet another 60% chance for some scattered showers and thunderstorms, finally becoming fair by Monday night, with a low near 70 and a high of 90, with southwest winds at 5 to 10. Finally, on Tuesday, July 4th, Independence Day, right now it still looks like mostly clear skies, with a low near 72 and a high of 93, with southwest winds at 10 to 20. But there might be a 10% chance of an unexpected, I use that phrase, unexpected, pop-up shower late in the afternoon and early evening, but it shouldn't last long. If any do pop up, it'd be kind of like today. Give you an idea. But the odds are against it at this time. Should be a pretty day for the fireworks, of course, for Tuesday night. Now, by next Wednesday, it looks like it's going to be fair skies finally, with the low near 74 and a high of 93, with southwest winds at 10 to 20. And by next Thursday, we're back to a 50% chance for some AM showers and thunderstorms, but very cloudy that day, and it should remain very cloudy even during the PM hours as well, but no rains expected after noon on Thursday of next week, with a low near 71 and a high of 91, with southwest winds at 5 to 15 miles per hour. I'll go ahead and let it go at that because I've still got some maps I want to show you as well. So remember that the best chance for rain for the weekend starts tomorrow night and carries over into Saturday until about lunch. And then that's really about it. The highest chance is during that time. Otherwise, there's about 40-50% chance, all in between there. Otherwise, it's going to be very cloudy to mostly cloudy for the whole weekend. Alright. Now let me move on to the maps. This one's courtesy of the Weather Underground, of course, kind of like theirs. This is a long-range view, I guess you can call it. You see the rain south of us, and especially over Georgia. I have some friends that are down in Florida, especially the Panhandle. Looks like they're okay at the moment. The rain is scattered there in Florida. Looks like the heaviest is around the Jacksonville area. Looks like it's raining pretty good over down in Georgia, probably near Atlanta, I'm sure. And there's a little bit in Tennessee. Oh my goodness. I'm getting another phone call. Let me see if it's the same person. He's probably wondering why I hadn't answered him yet. I'll answer him here in a minute. I'm going to tell him he interrupted my recording. All right, let me move on because I'm going to run out of time if I don't. Let me show you the different map features. Looks like it's raining just a little bit down in Cuba. How about that? There's the map features around the country. Lows and highs and cold fronts and where they're at. And how it may or may not affect you where you're going or not going. Alright, that's the map. Let me get a slightly closer view if I can real fast. And then maybe I should show this one all the time. I don't know. There's a little slightly closer view of where the rain's at to the southeast. It's rated pretty good in Georgia. And his radar is just updated. Yeah, it's raining down around Mobile, Alabama too, it looks like. Panama City right now is okay. We're okay for the most part here in Tennessee. The closest is a heavy rain up there in northern Missouri. Alright, let me see if I can break that down just a little. May help the view on the camera better. There we go. That'll help a little bit. Actually, that's a little high there. Alright, there we go. That's perfect. Now let me look to the radar real fast. I'm going to show you that right now we don't have anything around here. We've had some, as you see right here, back toward the 5 o'clock hour, we had some scattered showers around us, virtually every direction. I believe one hit out south near Bemis in the Moleses and Bemis area, but it missed me and looked like it's gone. It dissipated. Then you see some to the east and west of us. It does the same thing. To the north of us, they had a few of them that pop up, but they're all gone now. There's a few south of us. They're all dissipating. And that's probably what's going to happen tomorrow afternoon. Very similar to tomorrow afternoon, but by tomorrow night, they all should increase and get better coverage tomorrow night. But that's the way the forecast is looking right now, at least. A little bit over the middle Tennessee, but it's moving out of the range of this radar, and I'm not going to worry about it at the moment. Okay, let me move on to the satellite picture and show you it. I've got it on the enhanced view, which shows up a little bit better on precipitation. Boy, there's some pretty good storms approaching Jacksonville, Florida, it looks like. And down there in southern Florida, you can see where it's raining there. Destin and Panama City Beach area, I think, is okay down in Florida. There's them storms down in southern Alabama there. And there's that rain in Georgia. The Carolinas and Virginia and all those locations don't look too bad. There's those rainstorms up in northern Missouri moving away from us. We're not that bad a shape right here in West Tennessee. Few clouds around, but they're all showing signs of dissipating. The sun's going to be going down in about an hour and 15 minutes or so. But Tennessee doesn't look too bad, does it? Alright. Well, let me move back to the radar map. I'm at the frontal map feature, and then I'll sign off from there. That's perfect right there, I guess. Good enough. Now you see it from a long view, and I'll let it go at that. And wish all of you a very pleasant Thursday night, June the 29th, 2017. Hope you wake up to a beautiful Friday, June the 30th, 2017. And once again, it's going to be probably very cloudy to mostly cloudy after midnight tonight. And then most of the day tomorrow, with a 40% chance, like I mentioned, of some scattered showers and thunderstorms during the early afternoon, picking up to a 70% chance by tomorrow night, and then 80% chance on Saturday till about noon, then 50% for the rest of Saturday, and then that'll carry over into Sunday, finally ending by Sunday night and becoming fair with, like I said, 72 and 90 for low and high tomorrow, 73 and 88 for Saturday, and 70 and 90 for low and high on Sunday. Well, that's it. Good night, my friends. I hope to get a chance to talk to you tomorrow night, and until then, may God bless you.